The Merchant's Promise. Long ago, in the bustling coastal town of Rivermouth, lived a young man named Elias Dorn, the son of a fisherman. His father had died when Elias was a boy, leaving him only a worn fishing net and the memory of long nights under the stars, listening to the sea. Elias grew up poor, but he was strong and honest, helping his widowed mother by selling fish at the marketplace. Elias had a close friend, Gregor Hale, the miller's son. Unlike Elias, Gregor never knew poverty. His family owned lands, granaries, and a mill that never stopped turning. Gregor dressed well, laughed loudly, and always spoke of the great future that awaited him. Yet, beneath his charm, he carried a restless envy for Elias' quiet dignity and the way people trusted him. One summer, a wealthy merchant named Master Valen arrived in Rivermouth. He spread out his wares: gold rings, silver goblets, silk from the east. The townspeople were dazzled. Gregor was the first to approach him, eager to shine in the crowd. "Master Valen," Gregor said boldly, "I am the miller's son. My father will one day leave me his trade, and I will be rich. Tell me, what do you seek in this town? Perhaps I can help." The merchant studied him with narrow eyes, then turned to Elias, who was quietly arranging fish at his stall nearby. "And you, boy, what do you offer?" Elias blushed and said simply, "I have little to offer, sir. Only my hands and my word." The merchant smiled faintly and declared, "Then let us see whose word is worth more gold or honesty." He revealed a small chest, locked with iron clasps. "Inside lies a prize. Carry this chest to the city of Westmere, 3 days' journey from here. Whoever delivers it unopened shall be richly rewarded." Gregor's eyes shone. "I will do it, Master Valen. Leave it to me." But Elias, though hesitant, agreed as well. And so both friends set out, Gregor dreaming of wealth and fame, and Elias guided only by duty. The first day of travel was bright, the road lined with fields. Gregor boasted endlessly about how he would spend his riches: a fine horse, velvet clothes, a gold chain. Elias listened in silence, carrying the chest carefully. When Gregor's arms grew tired, Elias took the burden without complaint. By the second day, the road turned rocky. Thirst gnawed at them. Gregor, eager for comfort, suggested they open the chest. What harm could it do? Perhaps there is food or wine inside. Elias refused firmly. "We gave our word. A promise is not something to play with." That night, while Elias slept, Gregor's greed overcame him. He pried at the clasps, certain that treasure lay within. But when he lifted the lid, he found no gold, no jewels, only a simple mirror framed in wood. Anger filled him. How could such a worthless thing be locked in iron? He smashed the mirror on the stones, and the pieces scattered like shards of ice. The next morning, Elias discovered what Gregor had done. His heart sank, but he said nothing. He gathered the broken pieces carefully into the chest and carried it the rest of the way. At last they reached Westmere. Master Valen awaited them in the marketplace, his eyes sharp. Gregor rushed forward, declaring, "Here we are, safe and sound. The chest delivered, just as you asked." Valen opened it, saw the shattered mirror, and his face grew cold. He turned to Elias. "Tell me the truth, boy. Who broke it?" Elias lowered his eyes but answered steadily, "My companion opened the chest. I could not stop him. Yet I carried what remained, because I gave you my word." The merchant nodded. Then he revealed what no one expected. That mirror was no common glass. It was a test. Whoever carried it safely showed patience and honesty. Whoever broke it revealed his greed. The shards still speak the truth. He dismissed Gregor with a wave of his hand. "You seek only glitter, and so you shall have nothing." But to Elias he gave a pouch of silver and said, "Honesty weighs more than gold. You have proven your worth." Elias returned to Rivermouth with enough silver to repair his home and provide for his mother. Gregor, meanwhile, found himself shunned. His bright clothes and loud voice no longer fooled the townspeople, for his deceit was known. From that day on, Elias remembered the merchant's words, "Not all that glitters is gold, and not all that is plain is worthless." And thus the town learned as well, wealth is not measured in silk or silver, but in the strength of a promise kept. Thank you for your attention. If you like this story, please like and subscribe. It motivates us to make new videos and helps us promote the channel. Thank you.